Former Comelec Commissioner Rowena Guanzon has filed complaints of unjust fixation and grave oral defamation after a heated confrontation with two shoppers at a Makati mall, an incident that went viral over the weekend. Guanzon said the altercation began when a man confronted her about coughing.
Sabihan ba naman niya ako sa Rockwell Mall na you're coughing? You should leave the mall. You should stay at home. Doon yun nagsimula.
She said she felt humiliated by the exchange and defended her reaction caught on video.
Alam nyo naman ako, hindi naman ako nagagalit kung hindi talagang sukdulan yung injustice or mali, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng palampasin yun pag inaalipusta ka na. Dinidefend ko nga ibang tao pag ginaganon sila. Sarili ko pa kaya.
The case is now under police investigation.